In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to request features here in Kittl. Now, once you're logged in, if we look down here, it says feature request. If we click on there, it's then going to open into a new tab like this. It might also prompt you to log in as well, but once you're here, this is where you can request features. So, all you have to do to request a feature is click on this little box, type in a short descriptive title and any additional details, then you can click on Create Post. Now you can also browse round what other people have requested. We can also upvote these requests as well. So if you find one that you like, we can simply upvote that feature by simply clicking on this little upvote box, just like that. You can also see which ones are planned, in progress, or under review. So with this erase tool, it's actually in progress. With this one, it's planned, this is in progress, and as we can see, we can actually scroll through all of these to see what people have been requesting. Now, if we scroll back up to the top, we can actually filter this by trending, top, new, under review, planned, in progress, complete, and your own requests. But that's just how easy it is to request new features here in Kittl. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.